10 benefits to drinking warm lemon water every morning. Did you know that lemon juice could be helpful to your health in many different ways? Lemons are full of vitamins and nutrients, like vitamin C, B-complex vitamins, calcium, potassium, iron, magnesium, and fiber. If you're ready to take a drink of lemon juice, make sure to mix it with water first. Lemon juice can be tough on your teeth if you drink it straight. Drink it right away in the morning, and then wait 15 to 30 minutes before eating breakfast. This will make sure you get the full help of lemon water. Why should you drink lemon water? Here are a few reasons. 1. Gives you an energy boost. Lemon juice gives your body energy when it reaches your digestive tract. It can also help lessen anxiety and depression. In fact, even smelling lemons will calm your nervous system. 2. Helps you lose weight. Because lemon juice has pectin fiber, it can stop you from feeling hungry, and in this way help you lose weight. 3. Excellent source of potassium. Because lemons are full of potassium, they are great to keep your heart, brain and nerves running smoothly. 4. Aids digestion. Lemon juice is good for digestion because it helps loosen and remove toxins in your stomach. It also helps lessen indigestion signs like heartburn, burping, and bloating. 5. Cleanses your system. By removing the bad chemicals in your body, lemon juice helps the liver work properly. 6. Gives your immune system a boost. Lemon juice has a lot of vitamin C which helps your immune system. Also, when you're stressed your vitamin C level will drop, so taking vitamin C is a good idea for stressful days. 7. Keeps your skin blemish-free. The antioxidants in lemon juice will help lessen blemishes and wrinkles. It can also be put on scars and age spots to lighten them. Since it forces bad chemicals out of your blood, it will also keep your skin glowing. 8. Freshens your breath. Lemon juice also helps ease toothaches and gingivitis. However, because lemon juice is hard on tooth enamel, don't brush your teeth after drinking lemon water, or brush them right before instead. 9. Reduces inflammation. If you drink it all the time, lemon water will lessen the amount of acid in your body, and stop you from getting sick. It also stops swelling by getting rid of the uric acid in your joints. 10. Helps fight viral infections. Drinking lemon water is one of the best ways to lessen viral infections, and soothe the sore throat they bring with them. Also, because it helps keep your immune system up, it can fight the infection at the same time. Lemon juice has so many great uses, and it's also the easy.
Please like, share, and subscribe.